Hello everyone, it is Susan here and welcome to my channel. So I want to share a haul with you. I went to my local fabric store, which is like, I don't even think it's a quarter mile from my house. It's pretty close. And because 2 days ago they had a Facebook Live sale, and they sell like um, end of rolls. That's not what it's called, but the end of their doohickeys. And they do this every once in a while. And so, anyways, I went today to pick it up. So I purchased two things on the Facebook Live. So that's what I'm going to share with you now. And then I bought other stuff. So I'm going to share all the fabric with you. So this was the first piece that I bought. And like there's 20 some odd women on there, and you write sold and the number, and yeah. So this I knew I had to get because it's gorgeous. This is, oh, it doesn't say how big it is. These are, I think they're like just under a yard. But I mean, it's just was so beautiful. And yeah, so I got that one. And then the other one that I got was this one. And this is, it's odd, but that's why I got it, because it is so unusual. So it it looks, coffee dyed, tea dyed. Like, look at that yumminess in there. Now, I mean, I saw this on Facebook, and I'm like, oh my gosh, like, so nobody claimed this piece. And then at the very, very end, I'm like, can I see number 36 again? And I just had to get it because it just looks so mixed media-ishy. So, yep. Those are the two that I bought in the Facebook Live. Now, I did get a couple of their scrap packs, but I'm going to show you a few other things first. So let me just pull this stuff out of the bag. Okay, so let me share this first. So this is from their remnants bin. And so this is 32 inches. It was $8. And I got it because I'm going to use this, I'm pretty sure, for my Roxy's Journal of Stitchery Christmas journal. And the gold is shimmery. It might be hard to see. And the green is just gorgeous. And I thought it was good because it's not neutral. It is, I want to say fairly calm. Like I could put other things on top of it and it wouldn't get lost, right? So it's a good background. So yeah, so I am thinking that's what this piece is going to be. And of course it's plenty big, for a journal. I'm thinking of doing a smaller journal for the next 6 months for Roxy's challenge, because the videos are going to be much, it's every other week is a new block as opposed to once a month. This is 2/3 of a yard. And I mean, just look at this. Oh yeah. Is it not gorgeous? Yeah. So this was also from the remnants bin. Absolutely beautiful. And this was also from the remnants bin. I have to make sure I don't go too slow because my battery's about ready to go. All right, so this was, like I said, also in the remnants bin. And like, how cute is this? Like, I don't have anything like this. I have a lot of Christmas fabric. I didn't need to buy a darn thing, but yeah, I mean, really, for $6 or for $6. Yeah, so I got that. So those three pieces were from the remnant bin. And so then they also have this deal, if you want to call it that. If you buy 5 fat quarters, you get one free. I don't even know how much I paid for this stuff, to be honest. But I'm like, okay, so I mean, I could do that. So I just kind of went around. So these right here were all from the same bin. So like, look at this. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Ugh. Look at this. Brave, love wide, seek joy, embrace the journey. I just thought that this was amazing. This is the reason right here why I even wanted to get one of these to begin with. Then, so this must be like a very, who makes this? It's very artsy. It's very Benartex. And this, it might be hard to see, but it's a very pale pink. And it has like a rubber stamp. It has like rubber stamps all over it. It says remembering, dreaming, capturing, listening to hope, believing, and so on. So I had to get that because I thought that was super cool. And then this one I really like just because it's so colorful, super pretty. I guess it more goes like that. Oh, it's Kelly Ray Roberts, and it's Be Light for Benartex is the collection. So I love that. I thought that was pretty than this. Oh my gosh. Wow, wow, wow. I believe when we extend our hearts toward those in need, we also heal something important within ourselves. Like, really? I mean, I'm not obviously going to read all this stuff, but wow. Wow, wow. So, I mean, I think you can see why I liked this collection so much. And then this was the last from her collection in the box, in that one little basket. Like, look at how artsy that looks. It looks like washi tape. It looks like mixed media. I mean, it's just beautiful. It's just stunning. Oh my gosh. You know, and tearing that up into small pieces. Look, it has like some like lace, and see, it looks like washi and rickrack. It's just, I just can't. I just can't. And then this one I got from another bin, but I love yellow, and I thought, you know, to me, yellow is the other white, you know, it goes with anything. And I thought that it even would go with, you know, with what I got. So I thought it was good, whether it goes with it, you know, or not. I just thought it really, you know, I don't know. And I don't have a tremendous amount of yellow in my collection, my fabric collection. So, yep. So that's that. So those were the 5. And then the last 2 things I got were the scrap bags. They charge $10. So all of this was $10. And this time they put in, what is this? I don't even know what this is. I have no idea what this is. I guess it's a pattern. This is a pattern, which, you know, I won't use, but so this is like little toast and avocado. Oh, this is like white on white. It has jacks, the jacks on it. I'm sure you can't see because it's hard for me to see. And some more pink with gold, shiny, shimmery gold. Here's some more fabric with the jacks on it. Oh my gosh, and I didn't open these, so I don't know what's in these. Oh wow, look at this. Look at how gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Ugh. Beautiful, beautiful. This is super pretty, super pretty. orange. This is some orange, and it looks like it has splatters of gold on it. Literally just like when we splatter our paint, that's what this looks like. Oh, and this, I thought this was pretty too. This could also be used for a Christmas journal. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, this doesn't have any sparkle or anything to it, but maybe I can use it inside of my journal. And then this, it's pink, it's beautiful. It looks like watercolor. You gotta love it, gotta love it. So that was all $10. And then the second one, the scrap bag that I got, and this is it, is right here. And they had several scrap bags. You know, I don't know. I guess, like I said, this must be a pattern. I'm not gonna spend time opening that. Okay, so we have not cupcakes. We have cakes and teapots. Super cute. That would be cute to like put out on my table for Tea Tuesday. I love this. I saw this bigger, as a bigger piece, and this to me is such a great neutral. Oh, I love this. I love that piece. Then we have red. Red. This looks very patriotic. Very patriotic. I like that. Oh, this is beachy. Very beachy. Oh gosh, it's gorgeous. It reminds me of an umbrella, you know, that you put up. Oh, this is cool. So this is also very mixed media-ishy and painty with the orange and the purple. And the background is it's all different shades of that orange. Super pretty. Oh, and then look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this. It's upside down. Is it upside? Oh, they are. I'm not going to go through all of them, but they're all little pieces. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There's a whole stinking stack of these. Oh my gosh. And I have some squares. Wow. Wow. Look at this. I have a whole stack of it. Oh my gosh. That's like amazing. Oh, this is another piece of the jacks. White on white. This is pretty. This is very retro. Right? Very retro. Very bright. Really pretty. Then we have littler pieces here. Pink and white. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. More pink and white. Well, this is off-white. This is not white. Super pretty. Another piece. Ooh, look at this. Look at that. Look how cute that is. Look at that with that. Beautiful. All right. Now this is gorgeous. This is black. This I could also use for my Christmas. It has silver shiny thread. This would be big enough for a journal as well. This would be plenty big, and it would look really nice inside of it. I'm trying to get it to where you can see the shimmer. I don't know if you can see the shimmer of the silver. Oh my gosh, but that is black and silver. Oh, all right. Gorgeous. Now, all of this, that's a lot for $10, right? That's a lot. I love it. So that's my haul from today, and it all started because I had to get these deals on these two fabrics on the Facebook Live. I just had to, which made me go to the store to pick it up, and then I purchased all this other stuff. Yep. So let me know what you think. And yeah. Oh my gosh, I need to get sewing. All right, thank you all for being here. I hope you have a wonderful day today. Alrighty, bye-bye.